My name is Iran Ramdani with E1 Pressure Washing. I'm here with Antonio in Mega Traders. I came to purchase a Worksite circular saw. It was suggested by Antonio. That is a good product, and I'm definitely willing to try it and see how durable it is. We're trying out here, we look for durability and of course economics. So again, thanks to Worksite for providing the tools and equipment in Trinidad to get the job done. And so Mega Traders, I now have my Worksite circular saw. I'm headed out to the job site to get the work done. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.